Hello, everyone. This is the end of day 2 of Bubblecon number 2. We made it through. You guys have been an amazing group of Bubbleconers. We have enjoyed this so much. This is the final session. After this comes networking, happy hours, after parties, all the stuff we're excited for. But before we get to all that, we want to have one last chance to recognize some of the amazing building that's going on in this community. If we could, we would call up every single one of you on stage, give you an award, show your app on the screen, because frankly, there is so much cool stuff going on here. We can't do that, but we are going to recognize the winners of our community awards and the hackathon. Just as a quick reminder, our community awards were nominated by you all in various categories for people in this community that are especially noteworthy of recognition. And then the hackathon was an amazing push to test your app building skills and push them to the limits and show what's really possible on Bubble. It has been an inspiration to see all the nominations. There were 1,600 nominations for the community awards. There was a ton of participation in the hackathon. So without further ado, we are going to get into it. There's a lot of awards to go through. There's a lot of categories because there's a lot of ways that this community is distinctive and contributes amazing things. I'm going to start walking through the various categories. First, starting with the app awards and going over to Emmanuel for the developer awards.
So there are 2 awards for developers, the Bubble Mentor Award and the Community Champion Award. And so, without further ado, the winner are, for the mentor, the Bubble Mentor Award, Kayo, who's this year member because he's been very visible in the community since 2020. He's made over 300 videos and courses that thousands of students have been watching. So thank you very much for that. And for all you do, at the end of the day, Bubble exists because you all are helping us propagate this movement. So congratulations. And then,
round of applause, please. Massive round of applause.
Community champion is Tim. He's French, have nothing to do with this, or at least produces content in French-speaking language. So merci beaucoup. Bubble is pretty big in the French-speaking world, and that's something that that touches me a lot. So thank you very much for everything you do as well.
Yeah, so for the Founder Awards, 2 categories, Founder of the Year and Rising Star. So the winners are, drum roll please, Jacob and Show. Jacob is the founder of Ahana, which is basically demonstrating that it is really possible to build an Airbnb-like app on Bubble. It's an incredible contribution, and they've been extremely successful as a business. We've loved their viral marketing campaigns on social media, and they've done incredible work, demonstrating what you can do as a founder on Bubble. And then Show has an amazing vision for passion, fairness, and creativity in the music industry with beatlibrary.io, offering royalty-free beats with transparent licensing, which is incredibly cool. I'm very inspired by both of them, so congratulations once again.
Now, for the Agency and Freelancers Award, this is an important part. I mean, agencies and freelancers are a very important part of our ecosystem. We know that many founders and many entrepreneurs, when they start building on Bubble, at some point want to be able to find leverage and be able to focus on more strategic things. And to do that, they need to be able to find help in the ecosystem. And so that's exactly what agency and freelancers are doing. So thank you very much as well for everything you do. Your success is our success here, and so let's keep growing together. Now, we have some winners, and so the 2 winners are Jagdish and Godspeed. Sorry. Here we are.
Congratulations.
Jagdish is here, so congratulations and thank you for everything you do. I remember some meetups we did remotely, in 2019 or 2020, so it's been a very long time, and it's been fantastic to watch your influence grow in the community. And then, yeah, congratulations to Godspeed as an agency. Yep.
And then going over to the ecosystem awards for builders and plugins extending our core platform. 2 categories, best new plugin, and then an overall ecosystem contributor of the year. And the winners are Fuzzy Search Pro by Zero Code, and then for contributor of the year, No Code Artisan. Fuzzy Search Pro, I think many of you know that Bubble has a lot of search capabilities, but there's room to add on top of them, and Fuzzy Search Pro is really filling the gap in terms of that, fuzzy search that doesn't have to be super exact to get you what you need. Incredible contribution to the ecosystem that a lot of apps are depending on to help retrieve things. And then No Code Artisan, as the contributor of the year, has developed a slew of really impactful plugins. Examples include Plotly, Quillrich Text Editor, and Dragit, all of which are major impacts on the ecosystem. So thank you, both of you. You help us build amazing applications.
Now for the app awards, so these awards are about the apps that are pushing the boundaries of what you can do with Bubble. One of the things that I found the most exciting, and it still happens today, is when I see an app and it's not obvious to me it's built on Bubble, and I have to look at the console and to inspect the page to be like, okay, that's a Bubble app, that's cool. That's really when people push boundaries in ways that are not always planned for, by the way, and that lead to a lot of problems, but that's what we do. So we have the most innovative app and the fastest growing app. And the winners are Ringly and Right Human. I talked about Ringly in the keynote, so congratulations again for what you're doing, in particular the innovative aspect of your app. And then Right Human has growth that is like really off the chart. Like we see that from the back end, so congratulations as well. And I think this is still me for outstanding UX UI and outstanding homepage design. I think it's self-explanatory what that means. And then the winners are, thank you, Story Pilot and Minimum Studio. So congratulations to both of you. Best use of AI, still me. We talked a lot about AI during these 2 days. Obviously, it's very top of mind for everyone. And Bubble is now becoming the place where people integrate AI in their product easily, leveraging both what AI tools can do, and in particular the APIs they expose, and Bubble power to create apps quickly, talking to external services like this. So the winner is FormulaBot. Congratulations. So what they do, on that one I'll say a few words, because what they do is actually pretty cool. They basically generate Excel formula, convert PDFs, a lot of that in a few clicks. So if you have more complex data tasks, they can do a lot of things very quickly using AI, and all of that built on Bubble for the web app part of things. So congratulations. And still me, last 2 app awards, so best internal tool and best B2B app. And the winners are My Briefy and My Ask AI. So still some AI. So congratulations to both of you. And then we have a few honorable mentions. Obviously we couldn't, the team couldn't select everyone. Again, thank you again for the 1,600 nominations that we had. So congratulations to everyone here. Many names that a lot of people in the community are familiar with. So congratulations.
Yeah, the judging process here is pretty brutal. Like, with so many great options to choose from, it was tough to narrow it down. But switching over to the hackathon, there was 350 participants to spending a weekend for the official hackathon, and what a weekend. There's an incredible number of amazing things that came out of it, and we're always just blown away. Our theme for this year's hackathon was AI for change, right? How do we take the biggest emerging trend in technology and bring it towards having a societal impact? I think it ties to what we saw with Immerse earlier. I think a lot of people are really looking hard at, as all these great technologies are developed, how do we use them in a way that actually contributes to the common welfare? That's not just, not just business, but combining business and, having an impact on making society run better, function better, and more equitable and just for everyone. So really cool stuff. We divide the competition into 3 categories. One person from each category will win $1,000 in Bubble credits, some very cool Bubble merchandise, if I say so myself, and a feature on the Bubble blog, some awesome publicity. Also, for the winners who are not professional developers, they'll receive coaching from our wonderful sponsors, AirDev and Cody Tech. So big thank you to AirDev and Cody Tech for offering that as part of the prize. So going back to those categories, we have Bubble rookies, folks relatively new to building on Bubble. We have Bubble veterans, folks who have been building on Bubble for more than a year, and then professional Bubble developers who build apps for clients. And we've also decided, in addition to those 3 categories, to have 2 just for fun awards. No prize, but we want to shout you out on stage. Best design and ready to ship. So we're actually going to start with the just for fun ones. For best design, drum roll crowd, please give me a drum roll. The winner is Luana G from Brazil. Congratulations. And you can kind of see from the slide that the design is indeed extremely sharp. Breaks down your personal color profile by uploading a photo. So very cool stuff. For the Ready to Ship award, drum roll please. The winner is Nicholas H. from Australia for HTML. Sorry, HTML, it's a pun. It's a platform for sending HTML emails, including an AI-assisted builder. And one of the reasons we thought it was ready to ship is because the app even includes, and this was just built over the course of a weekend, the ability for users to purchase credits. So, it's all ready to go, all ready to launch. Congratulations, Nicholas. I'm going to turn it over to Emmanuel to present the official winners of the 3 main award categories.
Thanks. So each of these winners has done something pretty incredible over the course of a weekend, which maybe in this room doesn't sound amazing because many of you are Bubble users, but outside in the world, it's actually quite impressive that you can do that over just a weekend. So in the Bubble Professionals category, the winner is Robin from France. Again, I don't know why I've been, all the French winners have been given to me, so félicitations for this app, Frigi, that takes picture of your ingredients in your fridge and recommend healthy recipes. You have to give credits to the French to know about food. So, congratulations. In the Bubble Veteran category, the winner is Felipe from Brazil for Wonder Words, an app that's something that can relate a lot to, being the father of a 3-year-old, an app that generates stories for children based on some prompt with a beautiful UI. So congratulations.
Both Emmanuel and I actually have 3-year-old daughters, so that's actually very interesting, and I may be checking this out after Bubblecon.
And then for the Bubble Rookie category, so that's someone new, the winner is Tessa from Singapore for a service called C'est la CV, which is another French name. think you can see a theme here, which an app that tailors your CV to specific job descriptions and you save a lot of time, meaning it's easier for you to customize how you apply to jobs and therefore have a higher chance to land these jobs. A very valid use of AI. So congratulations. Amazing to see that for someone that has been on Bubble not for long. Congratulations.
All right, what a day. As we wrap things up, I just want to extend a huge thank you. First of all, to all of you for being here, for attending. I know some of you traveled pretty long distances to be with us. I want to thank our speakers. You know, a lot of you put a lot of time and effort to contributing to Bubblecon, our panelists, our award winners for doing, you know, great work worthy of recognition with the award. So, you know, I just want to say it's been an incredible experience celebrating the innovation, dedication, and talent in this room. Please give another round of applause for everyone with us here in New York and joining us virtually.
And I'll second to everything George just said. I mean, the first edition was awesome. This one is even better, and that's something that is incredible to me. So thank you very much for making this event so special. Let's keep things going. It's only, you know, not even 4 p.m., and we still have a lot of things ahead. In particular, some happy hours, as Josh said, pre-party, after parties, and we're looking forward to meeting all of you there. A lot of this is about us connecting as humans in person. Hi to the people remotely. Sorry you cannot make it to the happy hours. If you have some favorite moments you want to share, I mean, we want to see them, so please share them. If you go on social, hashtag Bubblecon 2024 will help us look through things and have access to them. So please do that if you have some valuable things you want to share. And talking about sharing, if we always try to improve and make this even better, so if you have some feedback, please share that with us. The team will take some time. Not tomorrow. I think they're going to rest a little bit tomorrow because it's been a lot of work for JV, who's right here, and her team. She can get a round of applause. But after some well-deserved rest, we'll gather the team to think about, you know, what worked, and what can be improved. And so the more feedback we have from everyone, the better. So please do that.
The other thing I'd add is, I know there are some extremely tough choices today. We had multiple sessions going in parallel. Sometimes you had to pick one. I mean, this is like picking your favorite child for some of the sessions. But the good news, everything's recorded. Everything's going to be online. You can watch it on Ring Central, and we're also going to publish it to YouTube. So if you missed that one speaker because there's something cool happening on a different stage, don't freak out. You will have an opportunity to catch up on it later. Thank you all for being part of this. We're done. We're going to go and join the networking, socialization. I look forward to talking to a bunch of you over the next few hours as we mix it up and have some fun. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you.